Hello, hello. Mic test, 1 2. Mic test. Mike? I'm not testing you, Mike. Connect. Mike, stop testing. Mike, stop testing me. You're testing my patience, Mike. Mike, come back. Mike, I didn't mean it like that. Mike! All right, so now whichever timeline you're in, I'm in time zone. Haha. Freudian drift. You should have access to accelerate mode. Welcome to accelerate mode, where we go fast, very fast. And we take some pills, but we don't forget to take the hearts because they make it a little bit easier as you speed up and the game becomes uncontrollable. I just want to, lay out the groundwork, the technicalities here. The rate at which your speed goes up in this game mode is actually e raised to the power x, just to stay true to acceleration. So I think by the time you're on lap 4 or 5, it should start feeling like Tamashika really wants you to, go really fast. So like after you get used to this game mode a little bit, coming back to transcend mode will be a little bit kind of almost disorienting because it's so chilled and like calm and relaxed compared to this. I recommend playing transcend mode on some days, accelerate mode on other days, or at least like time slice it so that you're not spending too much time switching between the two game modes, because like your hand kind of like gets used to moving at this different pace, and then it's a little bit jarring going back. So there you go. That's accelerate mode. And we've got 6,000. Bruh. 16 laps. How did you go 16 laps, bro? How fast are you playing? How? Wow. Whoa. Okay, I don't even want to look at that playthrough. I like propaganda juice. That's a nice name. Okay, because people are on accelerate mode, and that's great. Well, we have other business to attend to because this is the dev stream. So let's get devin. I did sneak in an hour or two of work in the morning after I was done playing Diablo 4 with my friend. Man, that game, I'm like gawking at that game, and I'm like, whoa, dude, like it's so damn, dude, like the detail on that game is just I'm just talking at an aesthetic level, okay? Like nothing deeper than that. All the mechanics, all the the gameplay and everything, it's like, yeah, it's super, it's Diablo turned up to 11. It's amazing. Great to relive the Diablo 2 days. As much as I enjoyed Diablo 3 as well, but like, Diablo 2 was where it was at for me. And this Diablo 4 is actually feeling like a comeback. of Diablo 2, and in this kind of like really like expanded kind of way, where Diablo 3 felt like this, it felt somewhere in the middle, of it went a different direction, I think, from Diablo 2. But Diablo 3, the map, so maybe one day I'll stream some gameplay. The like the overworld in that game is just, oh man, that it's kind of like you're unlocking the brains of the world. It is pure aesthetic juiciness, and I love it. Anyway, short digression there. I sneaked in a couple of hours and I tuned up these levels with some more mechanics that will get introduced. Namely, this level, I think first we'll see if you can spot it. Can you spot it? Can you spot it? So yeah, we're just doing the blobs. Get the player a little bit comfortable. They're not moving here. I'm not gonna move them. So that's already in this mode now. So these levels are going to touch on a few blobs here and there. Nothing too major. Like the levels are not going to put the blobs at the center, because this is still, it's a fast moving game mode. We still have like full speed motion here. So the blobs chasing you will just be like, it'll be too hectic. So I didn't go that route. So just, like this is a mechanic that players recognize from Transcend mode anyway. So it's just a nice light addition. We do have the orbs. I did not include the orbs yet. That's gonna go in in the samurai playlist. We're gonna get to it, man. We're gonna get to it. I think the distribution of levels is coming to me now. I think I know. That was a little bit of a confusion before, but now that is something that. Oh, did you see I touched the block? So you gotta be a little bit careful. Okay, now, where are we at? Yeah, I wanna add some lights here that are on theme. Oh, do you hear her breathing? Tamashika, baby. I love you. I love you so much. You're my favorite. You, sir, can take a break. Flat 4 lights, mull. Nope. Okay, this is done. And I was working on, I think was it MRun 4 or do we have chat? I think we have chat. Somebody say hello. Well, don't leave me hanging here, man. Don't leave me hanging here. What was I doing? Yeah, we gotta go back to the manifest. Hello, what's up? How's it going? Okay, this is level 4. All right, this is gonna be a little bit different because we're doing a jump pad. So only one jump pad addition here. I think that'll be a nice inclusion because we have added jump pads. So the Transcend playlist now, by the way, has a new village biome. All right, so you're gonna run into some jump pads. You're gonna run into some pills that you can pick up that makes the game go way faster. Just like accelerate mode, I thought I'll put the pill inside the regular mode so that if you're missing out on going fast, Transcend mode also got you, bro. I got you. And also there's like some surprises on some days. with new mechanics. That's all I want to say there. Spoiler alert, impending spoiler alerts in future streams. Enemies will do some funky surprise things for you sometimes. Okay, that's it. Just one or two. Don't expect like a whole array of different things. It's just one or two things that I added. Okay, just like a little sprinkle. And Shuriken Saturdays. Just I want to qualify one thing. They're not like Weapons Wednesdays, so it's not like every Saturday you're going to get it. It's going to be some Saturdays. Thank you. Thanks. You guys really helped me test it out. The version that I had before was, it needed some. I think this new version is a lot better. I could improve this, but I'm watching. I'm gonna. Is there streams? Did you guys stream this stuff? Are you on Discord? Did you post it on Discord? I wanna see what it looks like when you go 13 laps. 13 laps. 16 laps. What are you guys on, man? Damn. 16 laps is a lot. What's the run time when you go 16 laps? Thanks. I mean, I hope they will show up, but if you got one handy, you don't have to record it right now. I'm curious how you're playing with tamashika. Oh, look at that. Yes. We gotta do this once more, man. We gotta do this once more. This boringness needs to change. Charger. I'm personally, I'm feeling really good now that accelerate mode is out. I am ready. I am ready to switch gears again. Oh yes, it's just like that limbo space that I had to be in, while this update was going out. It's just, it's background, some kind of like background waves that persist for me, that keep me kind of like locked in two different places. But now we're gonna step on the gas a little bit. You know what I mean? With manifest mode, really like it's time for tamashika to spread out. You know what I mean? I'm gonna spread out a little bit. Transcend is this way, accelerate is this way, and it's really fast. Manifest will be more like a. That's her literally spreading her wings. If you get my drift. Colin McRae Rally, Tokyo Drift. Charger, Gunner. Vidvat, how about you make this level less boring? It's my personal challenge to you. Gunner, fast sniper. Okay, this will be height 6. You can go one step ahead. A little cover for you over here. And instead of flipping, you can do relay 103. And you can do up here 2. Oh, not bad. That's not too long, I think. I just like personally for me it was just like a length thing that I wanna keep that number a little bit low. In a later patch, I'll adjust the speeds, but we'll keep it in a way where it's like consistent so the leaderboards don't get messed up. That's like there's this funky feature that I slipped in with this update, where on a certain date, like this really like deep kind of mechanism inside the level generator that was keeping it from being more dynamic. There's just like a flip of the switch that I had to do, which is enabled today, by the way. So like that thing is now operational starting this date. So before that, we'll still have the same levels doing the same, same kind of shuffle. But here, going forward, we will have a little bit more dynamism. Hashtag fast sniper. So the same way, I think like the score meta, we could mess with that. Gunner, hide. Thank you. Focus. I said focus. That is the prescribed amount of time you should spend with Tamashika daily. So I don't doubt your ability to go higher. There is always tomorrow to test it out. And of course, you can time travel. So, if you don't mind me asking, are you collecting the items? Like, do you have a good set of items with you, or no? Are you just like, yeah, I don't need that. Like, what's your strategy? What's your strategy on that? I'm just like curious. Spawn flat floor light. Yep, that's the way to do it. It's not like, like I imagine, like if like you don't need to obsess over them. You just need to grab a few basically. I imagine you already have 7 bells. Like I think that's just like the minimum you want. And later when the game actually has like a use for them, you can farm a few more in no time. Yeah, Tamashika is like that, isn't she? She doesn't even want you collecting items and stuff, she wants you to pay attention. Is this? Aha, this is a problem. I think this guy can see me. what are you doing here, dude? Section 2x flip, apply, and then we just land the player here carefully, and we're done. I think this marks the I am done setting up these levels. Yeah, this is the problem, right? Like, this guy can totally see you. Even though he's hidden, if I shoot this guy from out here, I can see him. And I think this guy can see, this guy can shoot too. Ah, okay, no problem, thanks. This will not overlap. All right, let's see it. Discord. Ooh. Nice track. I want to forward here a little bit. 2, 3, 4. Do you feel like do you feel like she doesn't pick up the pace as quickly, or do you feel like overall it's balanced? Do you think it's too sluggish to start? My god, you guys are machines, man. Sweet. Oh, look at you go. That bell sound is so... Oh. Right. I thought as much. I feel it too sometimes, you know. So like basically the grind on the first few levels becomes kind of, you know, like it's not. It adds a little bit of like a, you know, feeling of, okay, I just have to like drag through this section, because this is just like, okay, now you're in like super mode, right? This is like what, lap 9. Wow. Nice. Wow, she's going fast now. I can't do this. Ooh. That is awesome. Well played. Well played. What's your handle? Jordan Peterson should be Loki a robot? Dude, I sometimes Loki feel like a robot too. Yeah, he is. They are very fast. 16. I'll add you next time. Okay, should we fast forward? Oh, MK Voltra is playing on a lower dosage. Okay, no problem. I'm not being able to load it. It's probably a new video. Okay, where are we? Number 6. Higher field of view here. Honestly, I felt your run was pretty, like, it had that robotic feel to it, like, no offense. But like compared to me, I'm not so consistent, with the cursor. Whoa. He's only at 8 right now. It's gonna be at 16. 16 or is it 14? What is it? 16. Dude, that's gonna be like super fast. Oof. Oh, the desynchronization is coming up now. That's just like a hard barrier, I think. Like, once you take out the last enemy, that's kind of like a thing that I didn't balance on purpose. That's like a hard timer also, where like if the game gets like way too fast that you can't even walk to the exit, it's like Tamashika is like, okay, we're done here. Whoa, look at that timer going down, dude. It's like racing. That the game is designed for you to not have to. Whoa, dude, this is insane. I think they're gonna stop because of the timer. How do you do this, dude? This is aimbot. I don't think aimbots can play Tamashika, dude. You need nerves of steel to do this. Ooh, damn. Dude, talk about being locked in. What do you think is going to be a mistake, or is it going to be the timer? Oh, it's desynchronizing constantly. What? You missed the parry. Oh, of all the... Man. Okay. Whew. That was awesome. That was trippy. That was... I like it. Yep. We are accelerating. And I can't even get past this level. basically my takeaway right now is, I mean, I'm gonna hit up the Discord and ask you guys, of course, but I am sensing we could go a little bit with a little bit of a faster acceleration. I think we could do that. 0, 1, 2. No, this is 2x flip now. 2x flip, apply. You can be 3x flip, apply. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 also. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, and then exit. Okay. I think starting out like is, if you guys can go up to 9, 10, I like personally I don't want you to like waste time, you know, like I don't want you to waste time. I want you to like get in flow ASAP, you know what I mean? And the whole point of accelerate mode is to allow that as quickly as possible. So what just happened? This guy was shooting me from all the way over there. Right? Is that what happened? So I reckon we up the speed. Yeah, how is this happening? How is this happening? This is wrong. This guy should not be able to see me. I'm gonna change this level. Here. Control D. No. Control D. Cheers. Thanks for sending over the videos, and thanks for the feedback. Really appreciate it. Catch you on the cord. What a strange geometry we have going on here. So strange. Why so strange? 4, 2.5. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. My shot should not be able to see me at all. I love these multicolored sections. Okay, so this, what is the problem here? This guy is just too close, right? Kind of want the player to be able to see. I want the player to be able to see the gunner, not the gunner, but like the fact that there's something there, like so that like it's incoming, so the player can see. You know, honestly, this level is not the best. Balloon, please. Thank you. So now the player will enter this column, so you can see the. I think I know what I have to do here. Section. Four, four, four. This goes and this whole thing comes back. This is 6. So now the y-axis is going to be open. Nice. There you go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. 6. Just not liking this look right now. Floor light, floor light, floor lights. That relay is kind of tough, because if that guy leaves a bullet, then you kind of like get trapped or distracted. Interesting. How about we force change the order? Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Just trying to land the timing there. Oof, my reaction time is just ugh. Also, this gunner is kind of bothering me now. Balloon. Heavy timing going on here. Are you not hidden? Focus. Okay. Oof. Now that's a level. 19.732. I want to speed run all of these before we finalize them. This level was pretty hard. Should we order these now? Manifest. Looking glass. Reload. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 levels. And we're gonna put these offshoots on the side. And then we're gonna do 5 more of these. One more thing that I need to add here is level manifest data. Sorry, loader manifest data. d.manifest is equal to m. So I'm not seeing any default values here. That's fine. So what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? We just had a finalized. Scratch that. Wait, reload. No, instead of finalized. Oh, so you see how over here there is no type variable. Else just add it. Okay, so if type is 0, then it won't show up on prod. Type 1. Type 1, 1, 1, 1. Cancel. Done. Okay, cool. So type 0 is now my flag for removing levels from prod. Yo, Frail Dog, what's up? How's it going? Did you get a chance to run the new game mode? I should put this back on so that I can hear the notifications. I just saw some players run accelerate mode. Tamashika goes really fast in accelerate mode, especially after lap 10, maybe 12. Enjoy it while you can, because I'm going to speed it up. I want to speed her up. This is the place where that's gonna happen. Let's just get an idea for it. Accelerate mode, math.e. I'm gonna do a accelerate mode rebalance date. Player speed up, game speed. I think just multiplied by 2, I think. End of story. No dilly-dallying. Just hit the accelerator and go. Excuse me while I stuff my face. M_run. Now let's go check out these levels. Three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. July 8th. A good day to accelerate. Profile. Let's see what new features I've got going here. Okay, so now, wait, why is this still, aha, there we go. Now these levels, let's just see what this will feel like. I wonder if we want a level that introduces this, I think this is a level that could be a good candidate for that. Let's put this in order. Okay, 438, 483. Okay, now I'm gonna let me just save changes. Okay. M run 7 already. Okay, 483, 483, 483. You can let go, you can let go, you can let go. 483. Now here's what we're gonna do. Check this out. Save all changes. mrun 5. Let's check mrun 5. Okay, fine. Now, just if you're watching this, you are watching this out of your own volition, because this is literally the dev stream and there will be spoiler alerts. Man, when will I implement the search feature on here? Bell. All right. And here param 483. Okay. 483. We should show up now to mrun 7 through mrun 5. Everyone place your bets. We'll see if this feature actually works. Place your bets if I can actually make it to the end of the level. I'm not making this game more easy. No, that ship has sailed, man. Why doesn't it show? Why doesn't it show where it's taking me? Nice. Let's go. So once I quit out of here in manifest mode, I will be funny. I can't tell from this map. Yeah, I'm somewhere over here, right? Like, okay. mrun 7. Yeah. So about that, we have to do like the connections. Right now we only have edges. So wait, hold on 1 second. If I was to use this feature, save. It's not rendering the second edge. Actually, I don't have a routine for the second edge. I see. Haven't opened this map code in a bit. Would love to hop in there again. It's a vibe in itself, isn't it? Like there's something about so I haven't played, like, I've gone through Fez or the other game that you mentioned, but like earlier in this stream, I was like, man, like I was going through. I've started a run in Diablo 4, you know, and like everyone has their thing with these games with RPGs and action RPGs, like items and this and that and all of that cool stuff that these games do. A big part of me is just man, you just open the map and just look at it, and I'm just staring at that thing. And the Diablo 4 map is this kind of like really mean looking, dense, kind of looks like a brain almost, I'm just looking at that and I'm like, wow, I can go anywhere here. It's not like looking at the map. I mean, I don't want to downplay GTA or anything like that, but those are like Far Cry's of the world. Like they're these open spread out maps, but like dense maps or like maps that show a lot of connections. I don't know. Is there a word for that? Like, I love that. I love it when games do that. Should we work on the map? Should we work on the map? Manifest menu. Where are you drawing the edges? Out var 22 or is not is alive 22 line. Nice. I had an idea for a game once that was just like an exploration game, but it was just a website. Wedge. Potato wedges. Maybe you're craving some potato wedges. Because I'm looking at wedges over here. You see, data.wedges. If not, data edge is 0. So what we want to do here is cut this out and do for var I is equal to 0. I was just going to do that. I was just going to type equal to 1 instead because 0 is happening up there. And it just knows, man. It just knows. I was going to copy this whole thing, right? And pose.2 is the only new information here because UI data position is already captured. Data 2 you're not doing, are you? Data 2. Oh, because I'm not using it, right? Am I using data 2 anywhere? I'm using data 2 and 222. Is it? Wow. Dude. Freaky. This is what it looks like being replaced by the machine in real time. Bam! But here I'm going to change this color to highlighted text. I don't know. Menu BG. Do we have any other color here? Sure. That's the same color with what? It'd be cool if I could give this line a pattern, but that would be a more involved undertaking. So let's not go there. Let's just, let's just color dot Whatever. Beige. Okay, azure. Fine. Let's see if this... I wonder if I picked up that level. I think the node was showing, so that means it's alive. How is this working? 2-2. Project 2-2. Pose 2. Data 2. Isn't data 2 just 2-2 here? I don't need to use this. Beautiful. That color, not so much. Pose 2. So I guess it'll just do all the nodes. That's fine too. I wonder why this map is not doing it. Looking glass, edges. Same code, baby, same code. Yes, sir. Autocomplete on acid. Not acid. Autocomplete on steroids. A very psychedelic strain of steroids. This could definitely be one loop. Pretty easy to navigate to. I think it's pretty good. So we'll open all these levels first, and then second playthrough, second campaign will open here, and then we'll start doing some funky stuff where they connect through this way up top or go down all the way. So okay, this thing that we were testing is working, I guess. This bell, for some reason, is not showing me my destination. I think it wasn't doing that because I have disabled the overlay. I think that was the problem. So we'll go back into this level. Also, I want to fix this today. We're gonna do this on stream. Now I can see it. Oh boy, I'm stuck. Oh boy, it's a Mega Man. I think this would be better hidden this way. And can we please get some lights here? Thank you. Much better. It's a team of people. We have one sound team, and we have an artist that did all the animations. Got Edgelord handling all the marketing and all of that. The rest of the stuff, like the gameplay and the programming and all of that, is me. And whatever this organism that is inside my VS Code that is thinking ahead of me. Yo, are you gonna stream some? Are you gonna stream some? You don't have to stream accelerate mode. It's all right. I'm too excited about accelerate mode. Try it out. Tell me like your average. If you do run it, tell me your like what average are you getting? Because like these guys, the like Joe Benny and MK Vultra, I think they're like a different species, man. Like how do you play that fast? You guys are so nice helping everyone, man. Yo. Welcome to the stream.
Hello, everybody on stream, which I think is one other guy.
Yo. It's all right. We're a small, tight-knit group here.
No, not a problem. I wasn't,
Yeah, it's nice. It's cozy.
So this shit is just out on the main branch, I guess.
It is. Yeah. If it's not, tell me, because I will fix that.
You stream the game. This game runs nicely on integrated graphics, at least for my laptop. I really like it.
I am glad. Oh, you're going no crosshair, huh?
I forgot I was on this setting.
Okay.
But
you were trying it out, right? Like you put it to this setting. I hope it didn't go on its own.
I was trying it out. I just don't remember leaving it on the setting, but I think that's a me problem. My memory hasn't been the best recently. So
Yeah, you're in the flow, man. It kind of actually feels good without the crosshair too.
yeah, no, I really like it actually.
Yeah.
I really liked how so much of what usually would be a UI element is like displayed in another way, like in the like on like your health bars on the walls. Not with your health
Uh-huh.
bar, but like you understand what I'm
Your
saying. And like
energy level, yes. So you start
you have
focusing
these
on that a little bit more, I think, when there's less distractions on the screen.
yeah. I mean,
Ooh.
and I thought like the reason why I thought the game was so cool is because there's so much visually going on that you have to decode in real time.
Yeah.
And that's part of the challenge. So I thought it was neat that like before there was a combo timer, like what I had to be doing was like either counting a second or looking at the glitter on the walls. I don't remember who told me about the glitter on the walls. It might have been
Nice.
Derm.
Yeah, you guys figured it out eventually. I think there's not, the game isn't that deep. It's almost like it's flaunting how on the surface the mechanics are. That's why the mechanics are literally on the surface. Like I just like all the information, I wanted it to be on the screen. So the sparkles and the paint in the walls, I kind of, I wanted it to be diegetic. Like it's part of the game world, right? Like the mechanics are in front of you. That was my thinking behind it. Like when I'm thinking about like game mechanics, I'm like, will I have to explain this to the player? Like, is it something that I can't put on the graphics? Like, can I not show this with the graphics? If I can't show it with the graphics, I'm not putting it in my game. It's like that kind of thinking, like extra minimal design.
Yeah, and like. Yeah, I like that. Like, I guess I didn't really pay too much attention to the marketing of the game before I started playing. So like, like the whole not attention economy angle, but like just like about like the whole tagline about attention.
Yeah.
It's like everywhere. It's like the game is actually designed that way. Like it's like. Everything is based on this. At least when I play it, it's like, oh, okay, like I see, like the whole like all these like little details that tell you how to play.
Yeah. And I think I can get away with that because there isn't there isn't that much going on, and all of what is going on is in front of you. So it's more of like a poetic kind of thing for me. Like attention is all you need. It was just like it was like on the tip of my tongue almost permanently. And I just there's lots of like really like deep, parallels there. Like if you look at like machine learning and like cognitive science and all of that, and there's this whole spiritual angle to it. I was just like, you know what? That's it, man. That's the tagline of my game. And it comes through. It comes through in the marketing material for sure. Oh, dude, you're locked in. Oh.
I
Nice.
forgot about that. What are we?
Yeah, on the UI it's not showing it. How many laps?
What the hell?
4 laps. 4 laps is not bad, dude. You don't compare yourself to the MK Vultras and the Joe Bennies of the Tamashika leaderboard. They need their own leaderboard, man. They need, how those games have the. Go ahead.
I was about to say if I was playing every day and making sure, like I would be at least top 3 every day.
All right.
I'm dead serious.
Bold claims right there, Frail Dog. Let's see
yeah,
it.
they are. Like I cannot go as fast as them. My times are always slower. I always have to find the extra point that they're not willing to find, which doesn't happen. Like
right.
They will always find it, or they always know, and they're just gonna hit it.
I like how you guys have turned it into like a strategy game where like it's about finding all the combos. I literally never played it like that because I'm not score maxing. But I like that you guys have got that meta going over there. Oh, nice recovery. Yes. Let's go. Dude, you're natural at this.
played the first version that was on that nightly, where like you could choose between the pill or
Yeah, yeah.
the heart.
Had to sacrifice that mechanic. It wasn't the most balanced.
You know, I feel like no UI is probably like the canon way to play this
Yeah,
game.
yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah, like you're actually forced to use the was that kanji in the periphery
Yes,
if you want to be
yes.
consistent, or you just have to have good like center because it's not like you need to actually aim at
Aim
the
at
enemy.
all.
It's
You
like,
don't. Yeah.
yeah, it's like a cone or whatever.
It is. It is. It's like a funky. She's basically like trying to figure out what you're aiming at. And I know that there are points in the game where it's not the best, it's not perfect, and sometimes she guesses wrong. But like that's the way I wanted it to feel. Damn, dude, what a dodge! Let's go. That deflect was awesome.
Yeah. I started doing the deflects more when I realized like, oh, I can just hit melee after I shoot, and sometimes it will happen. So I'm just gonna I'm just gonna
That's
brute
good.
force it.
You're
Figure
gonna
out
be
feel
doing
for it.
a lot of that in the new game mode. So best. That's cool.
Yeah, I'm just doing it instinctually.
Yeah, you've landed this third shot almost. I think you're turning a little bit for it still. The you know the balloon that shows up in the second room. But yeah, you're in the flow.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh no! Nice, nice. Yeah,
This
you got
reminds
it.
me. Last year, I was like obsessed with running Homer Hero in Wii Sports Club on the Wii U. Like that's, I would like basically stay up all night, uh, get high as shit, and just play like fucking like hit home runs in Wii Sports like
All right.
without failing ever, and like trying to like that game mode in Wii Sports.
Right.
Accelerate kind of reminded me of that because I would have to like, because I would get like I would be too reactionary about it. I guess like I'd focus like way too much on like trying to do the same thing over and over consistently instead of like because like the ball will get faster, you know. So like what I started to do was like when it would like when I know the ball would get up to a certain speed, like after a certain score, like it'll increase speed. So I'll like be like, oh, I got 3,600. I would like tell
Right.
myself the speed in miles per hour in my to myself like over and over, and like that would like prime me for like the motion I was supposed to do.
Right, right.
It's like I kind of have to play this shit like that.
The repeated action, you know, there's something about perfecting that one set of hand motions, but the exact same set of hand motions over and over again, which I noticed I did growing up with a lot of games, you know, not just one game, but a lot of action games that I would play, from first-person shooters to third-person shooters. Most particularly, I remember Max Payne. I don't know if you're familiar with the original Max Payne. Did you get up? All right.
Yeah, I'm number 5. Yeah,
Nice.
not number 3, but on Transcend I can probably get number 3. What's the?
Let's go. So even if there are leaderboard like you know, this, what are those called? The leagues, leaderboard leagues. You will definitely be up there. So yeah, that's why like Tamashika, the design of this game, and especially Accelerate mode, goes in that direction even more. Where Transcend mode has this like long level where you kind of like learn the whole level, and it's like a micro kind of adventure. This is like, okay, we're gonna like scale it back, and you know, it's like a 20, maybe 25-second run.
It's like a aim trainer, not even an aim trainer, just like a.
It's just like a muscle
How fast
memory
can you-
test. Yeah.
Yeah, APM trainer,
Yep.
actions per minute trainer.
But somehow also like not just button presses, but like mouse movement combined with it. Like I don't know what other game makes you move like this. If there is, I would love to know.
Lovely Planet.
Oh, what about that? Who made that?
I kind of. Yeah. Playing Lovely Planet on Wii U with the Wiimote and Nunchuck got me better at playing this game because after that I'm like, why don't I just swing corners really slowly like I would with like low sensitivity Wiimote gameplay on Lovely Planet so I can maximize the time for the combo.
Tamashika deep down spiritually is Lovely Planet, and it's hard to miss that. If you played Lovely Planet, it's the same DNA, I feel. But obviously drenched in like psychedelia and this crazy linear, it's more corridor based compared to Lovely Planet. And one thing that consciously I've done is take out the platforming, which is now back in Transcend mode. So it's, welcome back, Lovely Planet. But it's more control, like you don't have to like control in midair. So that's one thing. Lovely Planet had you had to control your character while you were airborne, which is very difficult for a lot of people, like first-person shooter platforming. That's just like not a thing. Very few games, I think, do that. Nice. My dude is locked in. I'm you can recover.
Oh my god. I was used to getting the golden gun back from doing maybe I didn't do a long enough combo. I remember the old. Yeah, it's whatever.
You want spoiler alert? Spoiler alert? I'll let you in on a little secret. If in accelerate mode you miss a shot, but you keep shooting and keep maintaining your combo, the golden gun comes back.
Yeah, that's what I thought, because I remember on the nightly I played, it was like that.
Yeah.
I just couldn't do it.
So there is that one recovery that's available to you if you want to do it. Sweet.
I always stop when I see a shooty guy. It helps me time my shit better, or at least I feel like it does.
Whatever gets you in the rhythm. The game is obviously very opinionated about what rhythm setting is allowed, but I think even given the setup, you can still kind of like pace yourself most of the time. So it's not like Guitar Hero where like you have to press the right button at the right time. You can kind of like adjust with her, right? Like she will give you the room to kind of, maybe you want to take this corner a little bit differently. That micro that exists in every first-person shooter. Bro. I love that stuff, dude. Like this is why I make first-person shooters so obsessively. Noise.
I probably play this with music.
Probably might help.
Yeah. Kind of forgot I had it off.
Do you usually switch it off?
No. I think I was listening to something else last time I played.
Nice.
I'm like bracing for the...
You got this, bro. Okay. Oof. Little slip there, I could see that. Nice. Let's go. Oh, keep going, keep going.
Oh! Damn, I was waiting for him to shoot at me again. And I missed going
Nice.
back. I hit these. Like that.
Too cool, bro. Too cool. Okay, I'm gonna pause this. I gotta jump back. I gotta jump back in. Some dev. Nice. Overall, I think it's a good addition to the game. I think it'll add a little bit more variety to this, to the experience overall, and I feel like it goes in a direction that feels right to me for the game. So yeah.
I've been stacking up my bells after ignoring them for so long.
The key to getting far is shooting friends before they get a chance to throw their balls. Somebody please frame this. This needs to be in the frequently asked questions. That's true, man. There's truer words have not been said about Tamashika right there. Before they throw their balls, you should just. I think in accelerate mode it gets really distracting if you're not taking them out in time, and the energy balls in this mode are way stronger than transcend mode. Just FYI. So as you go later into the game, also it becomes almost like you're at the level of like they will take you out in one hit, 2 hits max. I think you still get a recovery phase, but like your run and MK Ultra's run, I was just like, dude, like you can see the timer on top just like rushing down and then going back up, and the desynchronized sign kind of like starts becoming permanent. That's just like you have taken Tamashika to her limit. Yes.
Yeah, that's why she's breathing so hard.
Oh yes, she is. Yes, she is. Flat ceiling light, flat floor light. I'll just be here placing some lamps. It's my favorite hobby. Why is the floor light on the wall, man? Emron 5.
Holy shit, today's transcend level made me go insane. What the fuck was that pill?
Oh, you're playing the... I want to see.
Okay. Yeah. How many milligrams up in this pill? That's what I hit the pill, I ran off the fucking screen.
Did it go fast? Did it go really fast? Does it go too fast?
Very fast? I don't know yet. I need to get good.
I love me some Tamashika and chill. We can call these Tamashika and chill streams. You guys enjoy this and give me just another couple of weeks. I want to add some more mechanics to these transcend stages. This game mode is so
I'm sorry,
chill,
I just
bro.
instinctually restarted, bro. Oh fuck.
Yeah, it takes a while to get used to, right?
Yeah.
Overall, I
Yeah, it's
haven't
like
added
going from
anything.
accelerate to transcend is crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna be very jarring. You gotta really slow down again for transcend mode, right?
Yeah.
I'm glad for that. I was intentional because like I want it to be different, you know, like it should feel different. Like, it's not more of the same. Basically, how I designed Lovely Planet Remix, where like literally the mechanics of the games keep changing. Expect more of that going forward. All right, let's. Bills.
Oh. Is there? Wait. So
You missed a bunch of points there.
I know, but like it's like, oh, is this like a secret type shit? You know? I was like,
It's
That, when I
part of
saw
the
it, I,
level.
like ran past it. Yeah.
So now
Past
I'll,
it, like,
you know,
which
I'll
fork in the road?
watching you kind of like fumble there. It's look, this is kind of expected now because this is where the game kind of like, you know, the jump pads, they are going to mess with you because like you're gonna go like you'll jump into the air, and it's gonna be like this random direction sometimes. So it basically what this does is like it adds one, you know, one level, extra level of like learning the level of the day, because you will be thrown off the first time, unless of course you know you play for a couple of you know weeks, and then you'll kind of like start seeing the pattern.
I wonder if I can walk past the guy that
His speed did not go down. Sorry, I was replying to the chat. The speed stays up. The speed stays up for a certain amount of time, and in the level, the pill is rewarded for you to use that speed for the jump pad. So I've kind of like combined those two mechanics already. I know it's a bit much for the first day, but
I always mess up on that guy.
nice. Now just keep her straight. Just keep her straight. Just run straight into that jump pad.
Oh, okay, I see. Oh my god.
And you're natural for the first. Yeah, for life. Let's go.
I'm sorry, damn.
No.
He's
It's
like-
supposed to be disorienting now, dude. Like it's supposed to be this way. Yay, bells.
Yeah,
I'm-
I have pressure because I'm on
yeah.
camera.
Okay, no, I'll stop watching. You're streaming.
No, it's okay.
You're not streaming to an audience of 25,000 people watching my stream. It's like 4 people. There's no performance pressure, man.
I just want to finish the level. You know?
Yeah, it's
But I
not so
keep,
easy
too
anymore.
perfect. Yeah. Oops.
Can't wait to get to batch 3 of updates. Nice.
I wanted to get the parry, just because.
This is a very disorienting section, this one. And the circle modifier. Which one is the circle modifier? Exclamation mark is usually, in most cases, I think, I'll have to check. Exclamation mark is when the enemy will spawn another enemy or a balloon or something. The circle,
Yeah,
if I know the one you're talking about, the circle should now be changed to like a dotted kind of circle. That's when the shooter vanishes. So you just deflect them and they'll go away. That was a spin. So the enemy pulls you in and it spins you around. That's a spinning enemy. That's the two arrows. Yeah, this level is difficult. Nice. Let's go. Man, this level is feeling like a journey. Careful.
Oh.
Oh boy. We're starting off with a really difficult level.
Okay, I need to. I think I need to go in a ascend mode and practice that part.
Send me a link to the Joe Benny. Send me a link to the circle that you're talking about. If that's happening, I want to double check it. I'll look at the code and see if that's happening. Hey, you finished the level. Let's go. 323. Okay, nice. Okay. Time to get bug fix in. Let's go. Bug fixes incoming. All right. Folks, thanks for joining in. It has been fun. I'm going to hop off. And
See you, man.
cheers, man. Thanks for hanging out.
Anytime.
See you on the leaderboards, my friend.
See you.
All right, gang. Fun hangout stream today. I'll see you in the next one. Infinite bliss.